quality ladder will make cleaning those gutters or reaching the top shelf a heck of a lot easier. You can try one of these telescoping models, which comes in a conveniently compact package and are ideal for contractors and handymen who need to transport equipment from the shop to the job site and back. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best available on the market. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. The Yihen EN131 has all the metal parts which are made of aluminum alloy. It uses high-strength nylon for the lock, which is hard to decay and durable. It offers thick anti-skid footwear, fitting and gripping well with the surface, skid-proofing and wearable, and safe to use. You can retract it from top to down, rung by rung. It is made from best quality aluminum alloy so that it can support up to 330 pounds. Its fully extended height is 12.5 feet, and every locking section is independent of one another, therefore can be adjusted to preferential heights for different tasks. Another advantage is that you can easily carry the ladder with one hand and effortlessly store in the car trunk and other limited spaces. The ideal choice product Steps is a telescopic 10-foot style climb extendable ladder. It offers a lightweight, portable design, and it's suitable for a variety of domestic and commercial uses. It comes with a free bag, extendable design, convenient to use, and easy to carry around. The ladders lock into each position to provide an easy-to-use locking mechanism. Also, it is a great helper for both indoor household use and outdoor activities. The Telus Steps 612 TC is made from high-quality aluminum alloys. This ladder is OSHA certified and ANSI 14.2 tested with a 250 pounds Type 1 duty rating. It retracts to a mere 28 inches in height and can be stored anywhere traditional ladders just won't fit. Also, it is equipped with non-skid feet for a safe grip on the substrate and elliptical tubes for strength, and this ladder is built with safety in mind. Besides, it is a combination 6-foot step ladder that articulates open into an 11-foot extension. It features a compact folding design to save precious space, but maintains the rigidity of a traditional full-size ladder. Another advantage is that it has wide steps for more comfortable climbing and standing. The Extend and Climb 780p is a heavy-duty telescoping ladder used by thousands of commercial contractors. It opens to 12.5 feet and closes to 32.25 inches, making it useful, easy to transport, and even easier to store. It features a no-pinch closure system as well as red-green tab indicators that let you know when the rungs are locked into place, and the ladder is safe to climb. Also, it has double over-molded feet for durability and traction. Besides, the angled thumb release helps to ensure proper hand position. Another advantage is that it is made of aerospace engineered 6061 alloy, and it can withstand even the most demanding jobs. The Wolfwise EN131 is designed to open and close safely without injuring fingers. It has non-slip end caps which hold it firmly in place while you work, further enhancing its overall safety. You can unlock each section in 1-foot increments independently to tailor the ladder height to satisfy your needs, such as changing the bulb, cleaning your windows, interior decoration, and much more. Also, it is constructed out of corrosion-resistant quality aluminum alloy, and this lightweight aluminum ladder can support up to 330 pounds. Besides its full length of 12.5 feet, it retracts to a quarter of its height for easy storage in your car or other limited space. You can secure the ladder closed with the heavy-duty strap for storage and transport. The Little Giant Alta 1 is constructed of aerospace-grade aluminum and is ultra-light and ultra-strong. It is rated to hold up to 250 pounds on both sides, so it's perfect for medium-sized jobs. You can set up and adjust the ladder in seconds with the help of patented rock lock system. Also, it has a redesigned dual-pin hinge and wide flared legs, which puts you in the safest position to get the job done. Besides, it can be easily converted to a stable extension ladder, which allows you to reach rooftops, tree limbs, and more with ease. Another added feature is that it's adjustable in 1-foot increments, allows one side of the ladder to be extended, allowing safe use on uneven surfaces like staircases, curbs, or docks. Holding the first place among the list of telescoping ladders, we have the Telus Steps 1600 EP. It is designed to be strong and is manufactured with aircraft-grade aluminum to make it light and easy to move around. It features wide-angled rungs, angled to create level footing and increases comfort on long workdays. Also, it offers fully automatic extension and retraction with a patented one-touch release mechanism for ease of use. It gives the user a 16-foot reach with 12.5 actual height and retracts to a mere 32 inches in height and can be stored anywhere. Traditional ladders just won't fit. Besides, it comes with a silicone swivel feet for a safe grip on the substrate along with elliptical tubes for strength. These ladders are built with safety in mind. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and share the video to show us some love. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications on all our latest uploads.